Sucheta once again, please.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, each and everyone, to be in this show. And first of all, I would like to thank Department of Tourism, especially Evol sir and TK sir, for giving me this opportunity to close the Manipur Sangai Festival 2022. It's my immense pleasure to have it. Thank you, Achla Sasdev, the choreographer, all the way from Bombay to direct the show. Can we have Achla on the stage? I would like to thank Anil, the light engineer, who have come all the way from Bombay to have these beautiful lights. I would like to thank James, the backstage manager, all the way from Bombay. Dipti Gujral, thank you Pallavi, entire beautiful models of Manipur. The music team, thank you each and everyone, the government of Manipur, giving me this privilege to showcase the oneness, beauty of Manipur. Thank you. Can we have a few words from the beautiful, a dream of 12 years, which is fulfilling today. There was a time, ay nakanjag hiwamlay, sahi Sangai Festival horok madamda. Sushmita sen gi makut samaga in a traditional dress na nung show ko pangagadina. I'm fulfilling after 11 years, and this is my biggest dream till now, and I hope I'll achieve it more with the blessing of you all. Thank you so much. Please speak something.
Kurumzari Manipur. I cannot thank you all enough for the love, the appreciation, the belonging that you bring to my life and to my heart. Thank you so, so much for this honor to be a part of the closing ceremony of the Sangai Festival. To the world that is watching, this man, this beautiful man that I love, a huge round of applause for Robert. His love for this homeland, his love for Manipur, his love for me, he's married all of that together tonight on this very stage. And I thank you for this privilege and this honor to be a part of being your showstopper. You're divine. Huge round of applause. As I was saying to the people of the world, if you don't know the comfort of a Fanik and the loving embrace of a Rani Fee, and if you haven't come to Manipur, you haven't lived, ladies and gentlemen. I love you so, so much. Thank you for this. May this love, yes, keep growing. Bahut bahut shukriya, dil se. I love you guys.